thought he was going to shout at me.
Namaste.
He's a good man. He just doesn't like idiots. But once we get recorded, Raju is waiting.
Hey, Ajay. How have you been?
The son of the great Mohan. Sabal tells me you're ready to learn what inspired your father. Banashur, God of gods, sang the world into existence. For that, we give him thanks. We thank the gods for giving us life. Please, take an offering basket.
A candle reminds us that growth only comes with a willingness to step beyond our usual boundaries.
Good to see you, Ajay.
The gods bless us with wisdom, and we collect them in the prayer room to purify ourselves from bad thoughts. Spin the wheel. Life without emotion is no life at all. But a life controlled by emotion is to be consumed by it. And the fountain. Life is as tenuous and fleeting as a wisp of sweet-smelling smoke. The incense represents our mortality.
Ajay, the intel you recovered, that map, it's the Monestry. The army is going to attack your location any minute now.
Stay inside. The army's coming to attack.
Ajay's soldiers are coming. Go grab weapons from the crates. Namaste.
They're attacking the holy... Get to the doors!
I go to glory.
Drop the statues! The soldiers are attacking the weapons cache. I need help! the doors!
Hello, Ajay.
You saved us. You are your father's son, Ajay. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you.
Ajay.